Hello, my dear students of class 12 geography. This is the third video on chapter 1 Population of India from the book India, People and Economy. In this unit, I am going to talk about population composition in India. Population composition is an important indicator of social and economic characteristics. But before that, we must know what is population composition. Population composition refers to the structure of population. A population is composed of various characteristics such as age, sex, occupational structure, literacy, ethnic characteristics, tribe, religion, language, etc. Population composition is a description of these characteristics of population. So, population composition is a distinct field of study within population geography with a vast coverage of age, sex, ethnic characteristics, tribes, language, religion, occupational structure, literacy, etc. We have to study here the population composition of India at various levels. The first is rural-urban composition, in which we will see how the people vary because of their place of residence. So, composition of population by their respective places of residence is an important indicator of social and economic characteristics. Occupational structure is different in the rural area and urban area. Literacy level, age, sex level, all these vary simply because of the place of residence in the rural and urban areas. According to the census 2011, about 68.8% people in India live in villages. I repeat it. According to the census 2011, 68.8% people live in villages. That means only 31.2% people live in urban areas. This is very less in comparison to the many developed countries. If we see state-wise, we find Himachal Pradesh has the highest rural population. The percentage of rural population in Himachal Pradesh is about 89.96%, while Bihar also has the second highest rural population. Its percentage is 88.7%. Third is Assam, where 85.82% people live in villages. On the other hand, we find Goa, where only 47.83% people live in villages, and in Maharashtra, little more than half of the people live in villages. If we talk about the union territories, we find most of the union territories have a small rural population, except Dadar and Nagar Haveli, where 53.38% population live in villages. The size of villages also varies. From state to state. In the hilly states of northeastern India, or western Rajasthan, or Run of Kutch area, we find the size of village is small, comprising maximum of 200 people. But if we see, many villages of Kerala and Maharashtra have population higher than 17,000. So the size of villages also vary from state to state. Now, if we talk about some urban population, we find I have already told that the proportion of urban population is around 31.2% in India, and that is quite low. But it is showing a much faster rate of growth over the decades due to enhanced economic development and improvement in health conditions. So, in India also, the proportion of urban population increasing day by day, and the rate of increase is very fast. Urban population has increased in almost all the states and union territories as a result of development in socio-economic conditions and rural-urban migrations. Urban areas provide better job opportunities, better socio-economic conditions, better infrastructure, better health facility, better education facility, and so people are on the migrating mode from rural to urban areas. And so the proportion of urban population is increasing day by day. Urban population is high along the main road links and rail routes in the northern Indian plains, in the industrial areas of Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. In two areas we find the higher rate of urbanization, where the transport link is good, like good road system, or the place is located on the main rail routes, or the area is industrialized. Industrial centers like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bengaluru, these are having higher urban population. The degree of urbanization has remained low in certain areas. In the agriculturally stagnant parts of the middle and lower Ganga. Middle Ganga, we can take part of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, lower Ganga, Bihar and West Bengal. In this area, this area is agriculturally rich, agriculturally very productive, and so here urbanization is low. Telangana, non-irrigated western Rajasthan, hilly areas, here actually development of the people was low, and that is also a reason of higher rural population. So a degree of urbanization we find low in the agriculturally stagnant areas of middle and lower Ganga plain like Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, and Telangana, non-irrigated areas of western Rajasthan and hilly regions. In these regions we find lower level of urbanization, and so in these areas the rural population is large. Now we will talk about other composition of people at other level, linguistic level of language. We know India is a land of diversity, and India is a land of linguistic diversity also. According to Linguistic Survey of India that had taken place in between 1903 to 1928, there were 179 languages 179 languages and as many as 544 dialects. There is a difference between dialect and language in the country. So, in the beginning of the century, 20th century, the survey, linguistic survey was conducted, and that revealed that there were as many as 179 languages, well-developed languages, and 44 dialects are spoken in the country. At present, we find there are 22 scheduled languages in the Union list, scheduled languages, and a large number of non-scheduled languages. So, India is a land of linguistic diversity. Now, we will see the speakers. It is not possible to divide the population for each language, but we can divide the speakers of major Indian languages belonging to major Indian languages and into four groups, four main language family groups. Language family, there are four main language family in India, and they are Austric, it is also called Nishad, and these the total percentage of a speaker of this language family is about 1.38%. 1.38%. And the major speech areas include Meghalaya, Nicobar Islands, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Assam, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The major speech area, once more I tell, the major speech areas of Austric language include Meghalaya, Nicobar Islands, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Assam, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Dravidian, the second largest language family in India. It accounts for 20% people. 20% people in India belong to this language family. Dravid, it is also called, in short. And major speech areas are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Bihar, Odisha and West Bengal. So, we find in the very large area, but you see in a particular part of India, we have Dravidian languages. Sino-Tibetan language, it's the percentage of this language, people belonging to this language family is 0.85% only, and it is the it is spoken in some parts of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, northeastern India, etc. And the largest language family in India is Indo-Aryan. And this group accounts for 73% of the total population. The major speech area is Jammu Kashmir. All the North Indian languages belong to this group. Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Gujarat and Maharashtra. If we talk about Rajasthani language, Gujarati language, Kashmiri, then Hindi, Sanskrit, all these are Indo-Aryan languages. So, this is an account of linguistic composition of people in India. So, in this video, we conclude, and in the next video, we'll talk about a few more compositions. Thank you.